I used this beautiful Friday to build an AI agent that can replace my attendance on sales calls.
Then we can use AI to generate new.
Yeah, all in front of my dad, which he then used to talk Russian to.
Я буду помогать другим владельцам брендов, как и тебе, оптимизировать их рекламные кампании с помощью Auditor. Надеюсь, у меня получится помочь им достичь потрясающих результатов.
Хороший план.
If I knew that talking Russian is more important than money, I wouldn't have spent that much time becoming smart.
I want to know what you think about it.
High converting done for your ad credits in just 48 hours.
Do you notice anything else on the page?
The video isn't working.
I'll do it. All good. But underneath that,
Select a day. What? Call AI. Call AI! Call us!
los, mach.
Right, okay. Zulassen?
Hey G, what can I help you with?
I would like to know some more about references that you have done in the skincare or supplement niche.
You're in the skincare or supplement niche, huh? That's a tough one, but I've got a few examples that might be helpful. I remember working with a brand called Pure Waters. They were selling skincare products and we helped them get some really great results. We even had a situation where another agency tried to take credit for our work. It was hilarious, but it just shows how effective our creatives can be.
Yeah, please tell me a little bit more about that.
Know which brand? P. What? I saw that in the transcripts. I think it was transcribed incorrectly, but either Pyomatics because he referenced that house incident.
Yeah. How did you do that? What is that about?
Is an 11 Labs AI agent, and I gave him my voice. I've already trained a model with my voice. Yeah, and then like a knowledge base, right? And then there's a system prompt, and then he can do that. It's possible to give him tools too. So you can give him a Google Calendar API now, and then he can basically schedule with you about things. Yeah, I'd like to talk to Alan again. Then he'll set up an appointment for you. Yeah, he's free on Thursday at 3 a.m. I think that works. I'm not quite there yet, but I just wanted to make it work.
That's definitely a big thing. Especially with you, there was always this availability issue a bit.
It's a widget that I now embedded on the landing page I'm building. So since the next thing we're doing is building up the new acquisition funnel for our scalable creative army. And they have this little widget with call AI instead of booking a call. Meant to just get the questions out of the way, like, what's the price? Do you have a real team? I just want to know what you think is the best AI tool. Just bang. My time is valuable. Yours is too. You can instantly, after you watch the Genius VSL, you can instantly ask me a follow-up question without having to wait for it 3 days. A bunch of different utility for this tool. I'm using the 11 Labs API, the new agent feature. I haven't seen anyone use the agent feature, but I had the idea to make an AI have my sales calls for a while now, since sometimes people have trouble booking with me, especially when my ads are on. So if I can just give proper instructions to an AI, it will still be better than a closer, since it copies my style in answering questions, but it will be available anytime. I can set the first message. I can give them a system prompt. I gave him a few different things. First thing I gave him was my typical editor call binder. It features my 5 favorite sales calls with the most suitable prospects, which all became clients in one way or the other. And then I gave him my long note of content ideas. Because how I structure content is every time I observe something, I find a cool ad or something, I write a draft on wherever I am, and I can pretty much go through it. And these are all content ideas and then it told me that the inputs are too big. So what I ended up doing is taking the call binder to Claude, and Claude wrote me an entire manual about how to train an AI agent, what kind of patterns am I using when I'm discussing the trial period, the subscription model of Editor. And this way, this training works even better than the original PDF. So yeah, now it knows everything that I talked about. I don't have to say the same stuff every time. I can still build connections with people that do want to talk to me. Huge blessing. Okay, let's say, for example, I want to discuss a trial.
Hey G, what can I help you with?
Yeah, I want to start an editor trial. Is there any cost associated to it?
Sounds good. What's your biggest pain point when it comes to creatives? Is it speed, quality, or something else?
Mainly speed. I just want to have them done as quick as possible.
Speed, huh? I get it. Do you have a lot of content already, like UGC, product shots, or even just video clips?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. So you have a good amount of content already. That's great because it means we can get started right away. Here's how it works. You send us your content and we'll sort it into different buckets based on what we need for each creative. Then we'll use AI to generate new hooks, lip sync new scripts, and even create new B-rolls that fit your brand. We can even use AI to make it look like people are holding your products even if they're not. It's pretty cool stuff. And the best part is we can turn around a whole set of creatives for you in just a few days. So what do you say? Ready to give it a shot?
Yes, how do we proceed?
You got it. So you're ready to get started. We'll send you a link to sign up for the trial and you can start uploading your content right away. We'll take care of the rest. We'll get you a whole set of creatives for each of your stores in just a few days. You'll be able to see how fast and efficient we are. And if you like what you see, you can continue with this.
Yeah, that brother has to stop yapping at some point. Yeah, so that's the last thing I would implement. Just like, firstly, authorization to like book a meeting or send stuff out. That would be insane. Secondly, just a clear out point. Right now he's like rambling, repeating stuff. I would just give him authority to just continue. If somebody just wants to buy, why would I stop him actively? That doesn't make any sense. And I don't operate that way either. Like if I'm sold and I got on a sales call and he's like doing the sales shenanigans, I am losing all respect. No front. We see what I can come up with tomorrow.